Great day to see you guys again, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw the Laughing Looney. For many years, the one thing we've known about him is that he has a demonic laughter that can send a chill down anyone's spine. I'd be happy to have this guy in the ring. I once saw him in the arena against Milty the Clown, which was supposed to be my idea. But I'm going to bring him in the ring again. But this time, I'm going to have his first fight against the Stash. And then I would have him in the quarterfinals after his battle against Clete Cunningham and a bunch of other fighters that I'm unaware of. Anyway, that's how you draw a Laughing Looney. Good night.